हेलो बच्चों, कैसे आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। बच्चों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए जो सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ में जो कल यानी कि 10 अप्रैल 2021 में जो सुबह आप लोगों का 7 से 10 जो आपका एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, तो उसके लिए बहुत डिमांड आ रही है बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी फर्स्ट ईयर वाले बच्चों की कि सर इंग्लिश में आप जो है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर दे दीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो मैंने आज मॉर्निंग में सेकंड ईयर का और थर्ड ईयर के लिए तो मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर जो थे वो अपलोड कर दिए थे। थोड़ा सा आप जानते हैं कि एग्ज़ाम ड्यूटी आजकल चल रही है, तो इसलिए मैं बिज़ी हूँ। ठीक है, तो बंद कर देना। तो जो है अब थोड़ा सा समय मिला है 15-20 मिनट का, तो इसलिए मैं आपसे जो है ये फर्स्ट ईयर का डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है बच्चों, क्योंकि इसके बाद मैं दोबारा एग्ज़ाम ड्यूटी में बिज़ी हो जाऊंगा। इसके बाद शाम को मैं आपसे जो है 7 बजे के बाद मैं आपसे आज मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर ही डिस्कस करूंगा। ठीक है ना बच्चों। तो उसके लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा कि आज, क्योंकि कल आप सब लोगों के एग्ज़ाम है, तो यहाँ सेंटर है काफ़ी सारे बच्चों का, तो इस वजह से मैं जो है पिछले 2 घंटे से कोई वीडियो अपलोड नहीं कर पाया हूँ। इससे पहले मैं बताना चाहूँगा जो मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं, तो मेरा चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय जो है ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। और प्लेलिस्ट देख सकते हैं आप, जहां पर सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ के आपको सारे फाउंडेशन के पेपर मिलेंगे, हिंदी मीडियम और इंग्लिश मीडियम दोनों के। ठीक है बच्चों, आप बार बार कमेंट कर रहे हो, तो सारे पेपर सभी कोर्सेज़ के फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर वाले फर्स्ट ईयर का पढ़ सकते हैं, सेकेंड ईयर वाले थर्ड ईयर का पढ़ सकते हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर वाले थर्ड ईयर का, सेकेंड ईयर का ही पढ़ सकते हैं। ठीक है, केवल मीन, मीडियन, मोड की यूनिट का अंतर है बस, और कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है बच्चों, थोड़ा सा स्पीड फास्ट रखूँगा क्योंकि थोड़ी देर बाद अभी एग्जाम में ड्यूटी शुरू होने वाली है। ठीक है ना, मैं सारे क्वेश्चन ही आपको करा चुका हूँ, बाकी हम शाम को 7 बजे के बाद आपसे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा। ठीक है। ऑन द बैंक ऑफ विच रिवर इज ओलंपिया सिटी लोकेटेड? एल्फिसियस। द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम इज Perry de Coubertin. The first modern Olympic Games was originated in 1896 AD. Where was the first modern Olympic Games held? Athens. What is the color of Olympic flag? White. What do the 5 rings in Olympic flag indicates? Continents. What are the ideals of Olympic Games? Option C is correct, both A and B, means Citius, Altius and Fortius, more quick, more high and more strong. Deepa Karmakar was a special Olympic sportswoman in gymnastics. With which game are PT Usha and Milkha Singh associated? Athletics. Who inaugurated the first Asian Games? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. From which language is the term education derived? Latin language. What is education? Option D is correct. ठीक है, means the resource process of understanding merit and demerits, the activities of life process, the resources which makes human behavior understandable. तो option D is correct, all of the above. Which scholar had remarked education is a growth of moral character? Herbert Spencer. Education is a manifestation in a change in behavior. This statement is true. Physical education is that education process which is based on. Option D is correct, all of the above, means physical, social and mental activity. Physical education is an integral part of education. This statement is true. Physical education aims at, option C, all round development. Physical education is concerned with, option D is correct, all of the above, means exercise, asanas and sports event. A man's physical abilities are developed by physical education. They are, option D is correct, all of the above, means mental, physical and social. Physical education in an integral part of, option D is correct, all of the above, means educational institutes and non-educational institute. The golden age of education and physical education is, option C, age of Athens. For the success of objective of physical education, which of the following are necessary? Option D is correct, all of the above, means adequate equipment, suitable ground and adequate resources. The award given day for Indian sports is 29th August. Physical education got a significant place in Greece. Rhythmic exercise in physical education are, option D is correct, all of the above. ठीक है, Lyceum, dumbbell and mass PT. The skill of rehabilitation is a part of physical educational program. The above statement is true. In which century did physical education find a place in field of? 18th century. The skill of self-defense in physical education program is, option D is correct, all of the above, means boxing, playing of staves and judo karate. The is a sound mind in sound body was stated by Aristotle. Swami Vivekananda ji greatly inspired boys to play football. This is true. When was the Department of Sports and Youth Welfare established in the Ministry of Education? 1985. The capability of individual to combat against disease is called, the capacity of resistance against disease. A man gifted with psychophysical qualities can be the possessor of self-sufficiency. This remark was made by Swami Vivekananda. Communicable disease are, option D is correct, all of the above, means AIDS, malaria and smallpox. The full form of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The germs of AIDS are spread by, option D is correct, all of the above, means the use of infected needles, unsafe sexual contact and transfusion of HIV infected blood. ठीक है, option D is correct, all of the above. Sources of teaching of health, option D is correct, ठीक है, all of the above, schools, families and teachers. Health education is concerned with, option D, all of the above, mental health, social health and physical health. The active institute of health programs are, option D is correct, all of the above. Indian Red Cross Society, Indian Council for Child Welfare and WHO, ठीक है, World Health Organization. The World Health Organization was established in 1943. The headquarters of World Health Organization is in Geneva. The Indian Council of Child Health was established in 1952. The function of diet in human body is, option D is correct, all of the above, means to provide energy, to provide protection against the germs and growth and development. For a proper health, we should take balanced diet. The most important things in balanced diet is protein. The function of protein in the body is, option D is correct, all of the above, means mental development, manufacture of energy and physical development. The main source of carbohydrate is sugar. The main source of fat is ghee. Function of fat is, option D, all of the above, means protection of soft part of the body, the source of collected energy in the assembly of muscles. The best source of calcium is milk. To the protective elements in a balanced diet is vitamin Leafy vegetables are useful to the human body because special food element remain intact. The main function of vitamin K is to coagulate the flow of blood. To preventive measures control of diabetes. Option C is correct. Both A and B, balanced diet and proper exercise. World Health Organization is concerned with. Organization concerning health. RBC, full name is red blood cells, is concerned with blood. H2O equation is concerned with water. In a healthy family, the number of children planned are 2. Vishwanathan Anand is concerned with chess. Kho-Kho and Kabaddi are Indian game. Growth and development are influenced by. Option D is correct, all of the above. ठीक है, intelligence, adrenal glands and gender. Heredity is concerned with inherent qualities. Nature is determined by. Option D, adrenal gland. A man psychophysical characteristics are determined by sperm and ovum of the person. The specific stage in a man life. Option D is correct, all of the above. Means childhood, adolescence and old age. A cultural environment is created by human beings. The elements of a culture environment is all of the above. ठीक है, option D is correct. Means religion, caste and marriage. The sources of life of an individual are chromosomes. The chromosomes of male sperm XY type. The fertility cells of female being are called ovum. An individual positive changes take place at the socio-psychophysical level and it is a sign of that individual's development process. This statement is true. The adrenal glands influence an individual's development. This statement is true. The Varna Sutra is human being are 23 yugmak. The flow of genes take place in pregnancy. In the formation of a zygote, the mingling of sperm and ovum is absolutely necessary. True. The chain of joining two generations is called culture. देखो बच्चों, ये यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक्चुअली 2 आंसर दे रखे हैं. एक तो डी भी दे रखा है कल्चर और कहीं कहीं पर हेरिडिटी भी दे रखा है. ठीक है ना. साइकोलॉजी इज कंसर्न्ड विद. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, all of the above. Means behavior, mind and soul. The word psychology is derived from Greek. The word psyche is implies mind. Psychology first studied soul. Aristotle has interpreted science of soul. The scientific subject that enables us to understand the behavior of a 12-year child is known as child psychology. Sports psychology is important in the field of. Option D is correct, all of the above. Means education, sports and therapy. Through sports psychology, we learn a players. Option D is correct, all of the above. Mind, soul and behavior. The most important things in a game are development, growth and protection. This statement had been made by McDougall. The stage in which we have the highest degree of lustfulness or the stage of highest degree of sexual instinct, adolescence. The father of sports psychology is Clark. Sports is an inborn instinct in man. True. The principal element which influences the personality of a man is both A and B, heredity and environment. Personality is the harmonious combination of all qualities. True. The principal psychological characteristics in a player is spirit of sports. The skill of performance is influenced by motivation. True. A player's skill in games is developed by his leadership in the team. True. The basic instincts of a person are hunger and sex. True. The skill in games is learned easily by the transfer of training of new similar sporting activity. True. In order to bring about the best development of skills in a player, it is indispensable that his concentration be made to act as an auxiliary resource. True. Interest is a psychological process. True. When was the first ancient Olympic Games played? 776 BC. Olympia city is located in Greece, and the first ancient Olympic Games are organized in Olympia. ठीक है बच्चों, ये इसकी आंसर शीट भी मैंने दी है. ठीक है, एक्चुअली मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस वही हैं जो मेरे पास क्वेश्चन पेपर 2016 से 2020 तक के मेरे पास में तकरीबन 14-15 जो सेट्स थे उनको एक जगह कर दिया है. अगर आपने वो स्टडी भी नहीं किए होंगे तो आपको इनसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिलेगा, है ना. हर ईयर के इनमें मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर वो है जो 5-5 बार 6-6 बार 8-8 बार जो क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुए हैं. तो बस मैंने ये किया कि उनका कलेक्शन एक जगह कर दिया है. जैसे 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20 और बैक पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन को 6 बार पूछा गया है, तो इसका मतलब वो बहुत ही मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो उस क्वेश्चन को मैंने एक जगह कर दिया है. ठीक है ना, बेसिक क्वेश्चन वही है. आप लेकिन प्रीवियस ईयर के सोल्ड पेपर जरूर पढ़ें. और बच्चों क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम है इसलिए मैंने बहुत स्पीड में पढ़ाया है, मैं पहले ही आपको बता चुका हूँ. तो शाम को 7 बजे के बाद और रात को 12-1 बजे तक मैं आपसे वीडियो में डिस्कस करूँगा. मैंने 5-5 मॉडल पेपर एक्चुअली जो है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर आपके लिए रेडी किए हैं ना, शाम को और जो है मैं रात को आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा ना. ठीक है ना बच्चों, वीडियो पसंद आई तो चैनल को लाइक जरूर करिएगा, शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा. और अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हो, कोचिंग के हों फ्रेंड्स हों, आपके कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स हों, तो आप जितना इसको आप सर्कुलेट कर सकते हैं कर दीजिए ताकि वो बेनिफिट ले सकें. और कल के बाद जो आपके भारतीय संस्कृति, एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज़, जनरल अवेयरनेस और जो आपके मेन पेपर्स हैं BCom MCom, ठीक है ना, MA इकोनॉमिक्स, BA इकोनॉमिक्स, सोशियोलॉजी के, तो वो भी मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा. ठीक है बच्चों, थैंक यू.